So I'm going to work on this problem from section 3.1, and the problem number is 46. And we're going to solve this problem. We're going to find a value for it. And remember how we did it in class? We're going to first take this and set it up as equal to theta. Now, because we are defining tan inverse something as theta, theta is an angle, and it has to be in the right half of the unit circle. I'm looking for the value in the right half only. Okay, you have to keep that in mind. Now, you can solve this problem with the help of a typical 30-60 unit circle, and that's what I have here. Let's see how we can explain it. Now, by definition, once we say this, by definition, we can say this. Tan theta must equal, that's the definition of inverse function, tan negative 2 pi divided by 3. I can say that that's what inverse function means. Well, let me actually do one thing, guys. Let me move things around a little bit. I'm going step by step, but I don't have a lot of room here. So I'm going to put the circle here, and we'll see what we can do. Now, the question I ask is this. For what angle theta on the right half of the unit circle would tan of theta be equal to tan of negative 2 pi over theta? So, sorry, tan of negative 2 pi over 3. Okay, remember this is a regular unit circle for 30-60. This is pi over 3, negative pi over 3, negative 2 pi over 3. So I'm here. Okay, this is where I am at. Okay, this is the angle I'm at according to the question. However, this is not in the right half. I am asking myself, okay, for what angle theta in the right hand side would tan of that angle be equal to tan of negative 2 pi over 3. Now remember, guys, this is a little more challenging than the ones we have done. Right here, tan is positive because at this point, you can find it out. I don't even need to write the values of the unit circle. At this point, tan is positive because sine is negative and cosine is negative. Okay? So keep that in mind. And over here, tan is also positive. Right here, and it'll have the same value by symmetry. Okay, it's a little hard. So we're going to say this angle is what I'm looking for tan. So right here, I can even write the values if you want me to. Let's write it down carefully. Let's see what we can do. So from unit circle, you can determine that this point, let's see, this point, okay? This point is what I'm interested in right now. And this is going to be, let's see if I can write it correctly without making a mistake. Negative square root of 3 divided by 2. That's going to be the y coordinate. And the x coordinate is going to be negative half. Okay? These are the coordinates of this point. I don't have to calculate tan. I do know tan is sine over cosine. I don't have to calculate it. What are the coordinates of this point? To try to calculate, try to determine that, and hopefully you will get this. And these two angles will have the same tan value. Sine over cosine, both are positive, is going to be same as this, where sine over cosine, and both are negative. So the answer is going to be positive pi over 3. So what is my theta? And it's a little hard, and you want to pause and reflect. Pi over 3. That's your answer. This is the answer to problem 46. I hope it makes sense.